Oh shit!
Exact same thing. It's hard. I want to help, you know. Yeah, it sounds as if John Nelson do this always at the end. Go, baby, go! I want this thing to fly. It's beautiful. That thing is rolling. Look at it. It's got drag. It's got silver behind the black like that. It's gorgeous. Now pick it up. It's going. Oh no! God no! It's just nose heavy. He ain't got no velvet. No, it's too damn nose heavy. At least he can fly. Get the gear up. He's got to get it stable before you can try to land it right. Exactly. All right, just fly. It's way too nose heavy. He has enough. Doesn't have enough tail lift. That's why I did what I did. He's got it up now. He's going to be trying to land it. You know what? He needs to do flaps now. See what it does. If he climbs, he'll be in good shape. He can land it. Russ will help him. They'll make them balloon, which will help that thing. You saw it. He had every elevator he did, and it really was fine.
Yeah, sometimes.
Right, I agree. But I think on that, if he's got airspeed, it'll balloon. It'll help him hold it up a little bit. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, see, now it's catching speed. The nose ain't gonna bother him as bad. Oh, he did a hell of a job there. He got help. If it don't, just put them back out and fly. Right here, that's what you like. See it. But if you ain't got flight modes, you got to turn it on. Yeah. Well, you saw that. Yeah, you can get all that. I was telling you. He almost didn't have no doors a minute ago. He did a hell of a job. He gave up and he picked you back. I thought he was done. I thought I heard him pull the car back over there. And then he kept going. I'm so glad he did it now. Yeah, well, yeah. Or the cornmeal. Oh my God.
Good afternoon. If you're hungry, get on over. They've got all the good stuff, and it's all good food. Stop on by, folks.
Yeah, that's bad. Hey, we're down. Woo! Hey, he didn't
You don't know this yet. So on a live broadcast, I happen to turn.
He didn't hurt the prop. That's all right.
And we got every angle. So for you know your dad over there.
Yeah, I agree.
3 times.
I think about what, 2 pounds is good out of me.